Guys, check out this Ford GT. Man, this is such a six-pack here in the underground here. Wow! Just look at it. Ooh. And we got the RX-8. You guys know, well, you guys don't know, but I used to have an RX-8 Gen 1, and man, miss that car. But on to bigger and better things, right? We got the Huracan now, and we got a lot more speed. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears, and it's the first meet of the year, so great turnout as usual. So let's go check out some of the cars. We got some Starbucks. Let me know what you guys think.
You got the power.
Money that I don't accept. Like this. Money that I don't accept.
Check out this Ford GT, man. This thing is sick. We've seen it last year. Golf spec. This is beautiful. What do you guys think of this wing?
Hey, when
man, this is such a sick spec. Oh man. Got the bucket seats. Got the old Ferrari. This is nice. I get to play a lizard. I don't know if you guys can see that through the tint, but it's 6 feet. much cleaner, so much better. Carbon fiber splitter, nice carbon fiber package. And you know what? The RA, like this gen, even though I don't like this gen as much, like this kit makes it so much better. So we got the big wing. Look at the diffuser on this, man. Man, I miss the 458 so much. It's got the perfect carbon fiber pack. Man, I miss this car. First drive of the year and first pullover. Hopefully he's nice. Okay.
I gave you you don't have anything on your record, so like I've done for most people, I put it down so you don't lose any points.
Okay.
You were doing 80.
Okay.
I put 75 and a 60.
Okay.
It's $52.50.
Okay.
The other thing is not having your driver's license.
Okay.
Now this is what you do. You go here, the 1530 mark them and mark them in the 401.
Okay.
And you say, not court, you want an early resolution meeting with the prosecutor.
Okay.
When you get that mailed to your home address, you attend on that day,
okay.
You'll see the prosecutor, you'll bring your driver's license.
Okay.
Then you can have a meeting for both tickets.
Okay.
Then you can plead guilty to the speeding,
okay.
Don't lose any points, and they'll take back the ticket for not having your driver's
okay.
license with you, and then you can pay it right then and there before you leave.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
No
sorry about that.
No problem.
Take care.
I assume you have a driver's license?
Me?
Yes.
You want to see it?
Please. A lot of times the guys don't have their driver's license with them, they're suspended. But you were. It's a lot of work when you don't have your license. I got to type everything manually instead of zip
normally
in the little thing. It reads it.
Sorry about that. It's change of cars.
Take it easy. Remember,
right.
Around the city it's 50.
Yeah.
If you're doing 65, you're not going to get stopped. If you get above that, depending on where the speed limit is, right, you're going to get stopped.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Right. There, have a good day, sir. First pullover ever. And I got a couple tickets because I didn't have my wallet on me, so now I can't drive the car. And $50, but the guy was really nice, so shout out to the officer. Hopefully he has a great day. Well, more content for you guys, I guess. Alright, we're gonna go grab some coffee and I'll explain these tickets here to you guys in a second. So let's go grab some Starbucks and talk about these tickets because, well, it'll be interesting what the guy had to say. And yeah. Alright, let's talk about these tickets. So I forgot my wallet in my other car, and well, number one, don't drive without your wallet. So that's one ticket. So driver failed to surrender license, $110 ticket. This one, easy, 15 days, I can get that removed once I show my license. That means I have to go in to the court, show my license, and then pay this one, speeding ticket. So I was doing 80 and a 60 apparently. Cop was super cool. So shout out to John. John, you're a super cool cop if you're watching this. $50, he was really nice, dropped it down to a 75 and a 60. So no points, which is key. Well, first ticket ever. First pullover, well, second pullover, because when I had my RX-8 I got pulled over. As soon as I actually got the car, pulled over for loud exhaust. But first pullover since I've had my license, really, because I never even had my full license when I had that car. So first pullover in a long time, first ticket, and I got 2 at once. So that's not it's not a way to start the season. Definitely not a way I want to start the first Sunday with these cars. But hey, you know what? It's been a long time since I've been pulled over, and you know what? The guy was really nice. I mean, I was actually speeding a little bit. The whole reason why I was trying to switch lanes, but you get caught doing the act, you gotta pay the fine. So it's not bad, $50, but you know what? It could be worse. So I'll take it what it is. So yeah, first ticket, got a second ticket, so 2 tickets in one day at the same time. What can you do? But shout out to John, you're a super cool cop, and well, let's hope I behave the rest of the year. Basically, moral of the story is do the speed limit, boys and girls. Don't speed. But like that video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to cop some merch and support the channel, 10% off in the link in the description below. Just because you guys are so awesome. And well, make sure you crush that subscribe button. See you guys next video. Peace.